Hello everyone, I am Saidit and welcome back to my channel Saidit. So finally friends, I am back with the 4G plus speed test and the download test comparison. So this is going to be an epic comparison friends. This is my first time doing this kind of all these three phones together using the 4G plus speed test. Yes. So this is a request which was asked by a couple of subscribers as well, asking me to compare the 4G plus aggregation and the download and the speed test. This complete video will be included in this kind of three different stages, and try to not skip the video please. In case if you're trying to buy one of the phone, you should know what is happening with the network. And this complete test is done indoor condition using the Jio SIM card. Yes, especially Jio SIM card. And just before this, I think in the morning I did upload a video on the Wi-Fi connectivity testing using the 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz. And during this video I did get plenty of comments asking me to do the same kind of test using the 4G plus. So that is when I decided to do using the 4G plus speed test. So first let's check which phone supports 4G plus carrier aggregation. So 5G is a future, I do know that, but 4G plus is a present. So you should know which phone supports what kind of carrier aggregation. So let's start with the first phone, which is a Oneplus Nord 2. So Oneplus Nord 2, let me try to show you exactly what is the bands we are getting. As you can see friends, the OnePlus Nord 2, I'm getting 1800 band, and I'm getting the 4G plus in the OnePlus Nord 2 using the Jio SIM card. As you can clearly see here, that's perfectly done. Even I'll try to show you the RX monitor application as well, just for showing you the band, what is the band connected. That is the reason I thought of just showing you first. And next, let's move to the next phone, which is a Poco F3 Pro device. So this is a Poco F3 Pro. I'm trying to use only Jio SIM card during this time of testing. Let's see what this phone is up to. This phone band, I'm getting the same kind of 1800 band and without 4G plus, as you can see exactly, without 4G plus. So in my experience of using this phone for the past 2 days, this phone is not connecting to the 4G plus carrier aggregation if the band is connected to the 1800. Yes, same problem I have seen in the previous phone, which is the iQOO 7 device. If you remember my videos, same problem, but later with the software updates, this phone now it was able to get 4G plus. Yes, hopefully maybe in the future the Poco F3 GT might get this kind of fix, but I'm not sure because I did experience my own. That is the reason I'm trying to give you one hint. Try to check the iQOO 7 videos, you will definitely understand. The iQOO 7 problem was fixed with the software update. In my location, I was able to get. So let's see about the Realme X7 Max. The Realme X7 Max, I'm getting about 1800 band, but with 4G plus, as you can see, exactly it's supporting 4G plus aggregation is supported with the 1800 band. So that's the problem friends, only 1800 band right now. Poco F3 GT is not connected to the carrier aggregation. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning. And it is a final RX monitor application. You will be able to see each and every detail perfectly. So now the first test is clear. In the first test, these two phones are in the win, the OnePlus Nord 2 and the Realme X7 Max at this moment. So don't get disappointed. I do have a little bit kind of hopes on this one. It can fix with the software updates, which I did experience my own. So now let's move to the second test, which is a download test. So in this download test, I'll try to download the game, which is a Elcram Racing, in all the three smartphones at same time using the same Jio SIM only. Let me try to start at once. So 1, 2, 3. Yes, at same time I did start friends. This is using the Jio SIM card. So at same location I'm trying to use. So this is the race which has been begun right now between all of these phones, and right now in the middle is the Poco F3 GT, and first is a Realme X7 Max, and second is a Poco F3 GT, and third is a OnePlus Nord 2 device. In terms of the speeds, you can see even though the Poco F3 GT doesn't have any kind of 4G plus, but still it was able to get the really good speeds. That's another thing which I thought of just giving you an hint. And is a OnePlus Nord 2 device with the 4G plus aggregation. As you can see the performance. So every time the 4G plus doesn't win, but still you're not getting the 4G plus in the Poco F3 GT. Now you can see the speeds how it is. If I try to compare side by side, the Realme X7 Max has got the good speeds. At same time I'm trying to do, at same time when you're trying to do the testing, these are the results. This is how it will be there. The first Realme X7 Max in the race, and second Poco F3 GT is trying to win the race 62, and OnePlus Nord 2 just came, as you can see, just came 65, 68. It's going to be really tough between these two, and the Realme X7 Max was not bad. So whenever I do this kind of speed test, I do feel like I'm doing some kind of commentary for the race, so some kind of bike race or horse racing, something like that. But still the Realme X7 Max wins the race, and the next, I think the OnePlus Nord 2 will be winning the race. As you can see, OnePlus Nord 2. Yes, OnePlus Nord 2, I think. Yes, OnePlus Nord 2 did win the race, and third goes to the Poco F3 GT. So this is not much huge difference, I would say. If you ask me, it's not that huge difference, I would say definitely difference. It's nothing much. But let me try to go back, and let me try to go back and do the speed test. In the first round, in terms of the download test, the first phone to finish is the Realme X7 Max. Let's do once again, why not? Yeah, 2 times just for the verification. So let's do that again. So I do have a lot of MB left for the day, so let me try to do it again. So just for the confirmation friends, I'm trying to do multiple times just to show you what is happening with this kind of phones, how it's behaving. This time the Realme X7 Max started a little bit kind of late to the race right now. So right now it started a little bit kind of late. As you can see, the Realme X7 Max, it's right now it's kind of picking up the speeds. You can see the speeds on the top of the notification panel, clearly how it's going in between all the three smartphones. So let me try to slightly zoom in, so now you'll be able to focus on the speeds, how they are. So 323 Mbps and 549 Mbps I'm getting in the OnePlus Nord 2, not bad. So Realme X7 Max 758, 724 Mbps. As you can see, when you try to do the speeds at same time, this will be the results. So OnePlus Nord 2, sometimes the OnePlus Nord 2 is winning, sometimes the Realme X7 Max is winning, but the Poco F3 GT is still in the middle. As you can see friends right now. So this is using the Geo SIM card testing. But don't worry, I'll try to do the outdoor testing as well. So outdoor testing results will give you the clear idea what is going on. But nowadays, a lot of people, they are doing work from home. That is the reason I thought of just mentioning this kind of things before. So in case if you want to know how is the connection, how is the situation about the network, which one is the best. So that will be really helpful. So these two phones were able to get multiple band support. I mean, in indoor condition, I did get, I think 3cc and 3cc in these two phones, and even 4cc as well. Sometimes in these two, Realme X7 Max and the OnePlus Nord 2. In terms of carrier aggregation, the Realme X7 Max, even though this phone started a little bit kind of late into the race, but still, this phone wins the race. As you can see friends. This is how it is in terms of the download test. Now, once the download has been finished, then let's move to the next stage, which is a final one, speed test. Oh, the Poco F3 GT did finish first, right? Yeah, I didn't see that coming. So this is a quick comparison friends between all the phones, and now let's move to the next test, which is a final one, which is speed test. So either the speed test applications, yes. So let's start the speed test at same time, connected in the same server. Let's see which phone will be able to detect the server and do the speed test first. 1, 2, 3. Get set go. Yeah, wow, that's fantastic. All the phones started at same time. That's really good to see. Wow. And you can see the speeds, how they are right now. As you can see friends, the speeds are not bad. So 7.7 Mbps, 4.82 Mbps and 4.23 Mbps in the OnePlus Nord 2. Not bad. But in the upload speeds, so don't come right now into the conclusion. Just wait for my outdoor videos as well. Please try to wait for my outdoor 4G test, which I'll be trying to upload very soon, as soon as possible. So only then you can definitely come into the conclusion which phone is the best one. So upload speeds 0. That's, yeah. Let me try to do the test again one more time. Yes. So let's see this time which phone will be able to connect to the server first and start the speed. So connecting, all the three smartphones are taking. The Realme X7 Max did connect first to the server, and it's kind of taking the race. So one more thing, if you try to do the speed test all together at once, you will get one kind of speed. If you try to do individual test, you will get another kind of speeds. Yes, that's the test which I want to do right now. The Realme X7 Max got up to 15 Mbps of speeds, and the Poco F3 GT is around 5 Mbps of speeds, and the OnePlus Nord 2, just now it came back, and let's see how much it is right now. It's kind of close to 3.5, and it's getting the 4G aggregation. Yeah, 4G aggregation I'm getting in this phone. 4G aggregation, you can see, no problem, and the speeds are kind of 8.23 Mbps. So now we did do all this kind of test at same time. Now let's do the individual test. So individual test also is the main thing which will definitely show you what is the result. That's a final individual test which I'm going to do. So once this finish, yes. So let's start with this one first. Let's see OnePlus Nord 2, how much this phone can actually get that kind of speeds. Right now it's not kind of connecting. It will take some time. Let's start with the Realme X7 Max there. Yes, Realme X7 Max just started with the connect. So individual test, as you can see, individual, if I try to do one by one, you will see the different results. So that is the reason I'll every time try to watch till end of the video before you come into the conclusion. Try to watch till end of the video, friends. In all my videos, the suspense will be at the end and sometimes in the middle as well, so don't try to skip any part. So 17.6 Mbps, not bad. 17.6 I'm getting. So 17.6 is kind of really good for the indoor condition, friends, for me, trust me. So next is Poco F3 GT. Let's see. So I'm trying to use only the GeoSIM during this process of testing. GeoSIM, I'm getting 4G plus aggregation in this phone, Realme X7 Max, and in the same location using the same SIM card without 4G plus. Sometimes the speeds are kind of a little bit low. Sometimes, as you can see, it's kind of close to 8 Mbps I'm getting in this Poco F3 GT. You can clearly see, friends, 8 Mbps speeds. It's kind of double speeds we got in the Realme X7 Max in terms of the connectivity. So in terms of the connectivity, when you compare between these two phones, I do feel the Realme X7 Max slightly got upper hand little bit. That's initial impressions only, which I'm trying to say. So don't get me wrong, friends, I need to do comparing both phones outdoor, only then I will try to come into conclusion. So just wait, I'll try to upload the video as soon as possible. So let's see the OnePlus Nord 2, can it connect to the server right now faster or not? And finally the OnePlus Nord 2 is started to test. Let's see what speeds we can actually expect this time. The speeds are kind of increasing 6 Mbps, 6.7 Mbps using the GeoSIM, not bad. 7.9, it's kind of a little bit more than the Poco F3 GT at this moment. So these are the GeoSIM and using the 4G plus. So during this time of testing, one thing is that I did observe the phone getting lightly high temperatures on the back side, somewhere around here. Yes, exactly, as you can see, exact this spots 37 degrees. Yes, you can actually feel that kind of temperature as well. I'm not sure why on the OnePlus. Other phones were pretty normal. I did not feel that kind of thing when I'm trying to hold the other phones in terms of the temperatures wise. So I did see a couple of comments as well regarding the OnePlus Nord 2. Even with the normal users, they are experiencing some kind of high temperatures. That is the reason I thought of just showing you. So let's do the one more time speed test and I'll try to end up this kind of speed test. And right now we are getting about speeds are kind of close to 8.9 Mbps of speeds in the OnePlus Nord 2, not bad. 9.6, 9.7. As you can see, I think I am using the same kind of band, same Geo 4G LTE 1800, same band it's connected like other phones only, same band 1800 4G plus, as you can see, friends. And same SIM I did try to use. I'm getting 2cc as you can see in the Realme X7 Max. So just know it, I can change it to 1800 band, but I did see the 2cc right now. So I'll try to compare between these two phones. So don't worry, friends, very soon I'll try to compare, concentrating these two phones individually. I try to do that. Wow, Poco F3 GT, all of a sudden it increased the speedometer, as you can see, with the GeoSIM 1800 band without 4G plus, with single bar, with single one line it was able to manage to get that kind of high speeds. That's really good. Other phones were able to get the really good stronger signals, as you can see. So usually my speed test and download test comparison will be a little bit kind of longer than usual, because I just want to give the complete quick idea what is going on. So if the phone doesn't have the 4G plus, doesn't mean the speeds are less. So one thing you should remember definitely by looking at the speeds. The Realme X7 Max, it's trying to be the first on the top, and let's see. Yes, it's on the top. So 13 Mbps of speeds, not bad. 13. So it's always want to be in the top. Android benchmark, Geek benchmark. So everything it's want to be on the top only, the Realme X7 Max, when compared with the other two phones. So the final results are like this, as you can see, friends. In the download test and the speed test, the Realme X7 Max was a winner when you try to compare with the other phones. In the next video, I'll try to include the iQOO 7 and the Mi11X device, comparing with these two phones. Mainly, I'll try to focus as well. So thank you for watching this video, friends. It's the final conclusion of this speed test results. And the 4G place you may expect maybe very soon if you get the software update which can actually fix it. That's the one thing I can definitely say that. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.